Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you simple makeup look, or you can also say daily makeup look. So beginning with this moisturizer, I'm using hemp from Body Shop hemp moisturizer. This is for ultra dry skin. My skin is so dry, so I'm using this. And next I'm going with the Fit Me foundation, shade of 115 with SPF 22. I gonna blend it with adding some rose water to it. If I add some water or rose water with it, it blends clearly. So next I'm using Fit Me foundation. You can use any of them. Shade of 110 from normal to oily skin from Maybelline. Next I'm using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. You can use any of them. I'm doing very basic eyebrows. I don't want to go into deep or darken my eyebrows. It's just a lighten eyebrow. So going to next step, I'm using Lakme Shimmer Brick. Here you can find a 4 shade. I'm using a pink one just to shade my cheeks and nose. Coming to my next step, I'm using highlighter. I'm using Insight highlighter. You can use any of the brand. I'm just taking in a finger and blending. Coming to next step, I'm gonna moisturize my lips before applying lipstick. So I'm moisturizing it by Vaseline petroleum gel. Coming to the next step, I'm gonna concentrate on my eyes. So I'm using Dazller eyeliner. You can use any brand one. I'm just making a wing eyeliner. And also guys, I have made different videos related to eyeliner, that how to apply the eyeliner or different types of eyeliner. You can watch that video by clicking into the I button. So I'm doing a just basic wing eyeliner. Once this is done, I'm gonna concentrate my lashes. This is also from Maybelline. You can use any brand. Since this video is all about a basic makeup look or my daily makeup look, I don't gonna add any artificial eyelashes. Now concentrating on my lips, I'm using this super matte lip liner. I'm using the red shade. I'm just applying very lighten one, as you can see. Once this is done, I'm using Lakme Lipstick, which is of pink shade of 09. I'm not gonna add so much, as you can see. Now I'm gonna erase the extra one. And it's done now guys. You can also apply makeup setting spray if you wish, but I don't prefer to this basic simple makeup look. And you can also apply a kajal, but I don't prefer to my face, so I'm not applying kajal. You can apply kajal. And this is my final look. As you can see, I'm wearing a basic top with jeans. And this is my everyday final look. And yeah friends, what are all the products which I used in this video will be put into my description box. If you wish to buy those products, you can go and check it out in Amazon. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.